All right, so special thanks to our friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this phone ring holder. That's the front of the box, nothing around the sides. And the back just tells you this is a 180-degree flip and 360-degree free rotation ring. It comes with 3M adhesive to attach to the device, and it's made of premium materials. So let's open this on up and take a look at these. So inside of the box, and this is glitter silver, by the way. Oh wait, there's something else in here. All right, that's it for the box. So you get a nice little warranty policy. You get your installation guide, so it tells you everything to do. Wash it, peel off the back, hold it on, and you're ready to go. And they even include the wet ones to clean your phone. And this is your 3M tape. And then this is the actual little ring. So you can see the silver one has this nice glittery silver look on it. It says Syncwire right there. And then it sticks on your phone and you're able to either use it like this as a ring to help hold your phone, or you can even use it as a kickstand. Very, very unique item. A lot of people really like these, and this is a great one from the folks over at Syncwire. So thanks again to Syncwire for sending this to me to unbox and show you these. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.